welcome to my art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and these are my mannequins, my art fashion helpers. In this video, we are gonna find the alien. I'm gonna show you how to create t-shirt inspired by the Storming Area 51 event. And I don't think that it's a great idea to storm high security area, but I think that it's a great idea to use this event as a reason for creating cool clothes for yourself and as a way to unleash your creativity. So let's just paint alien, which we're gonna find in the area 51. So for painting you need some basic clothes. I will paint on the t-shirt, but you can paint on the sweatshirt, on the hoodie and even on the denim jacket. And also you will need fabric paints. If you have never heard about fabric paints before, you can watch my educational videos. I will put links in the description below. So let's get started! And first I'm gonna sketch design on the t-shirt, and I sketch it with pencil. And the idea of the design is that alien ripped shirt and trying to get out. So I draw big hole and alien inside of it. And now I outline hole and alien with black paint, and I use round brush size medium. And now I sketch hand of alien with pencil, and I outline it with black paint. And now I will paint galaxy inside of this hole, and I will use purple, blue, turquoise, red colors, all the galaxy colors. And now I will use green for alien, and right side of alien will be shadows, so I will mix green and blue or green and purple, and left side will be light, so I will mix green and yellow and a bit white color. Eye of alien, and first I fill it with black paint, and then I paint nose, mouth, some fine lines, cheekbones, and to make eye look more realistic I put a bit blue and purple on it, and also I paint highlights with white color. And to make alien pop, I put dark blue color around it. And the same way I paint hand, I use dark green color and light green color. And now I will use hard brush for splattering. I will splatter white paint to create stars. And with small brush I paint a couple of shining stars. And now to create this ripped t-shirt effect, I will paint shadows around this hole, and I use gray color for shadows. I mix white and black color. And now I want to paint more holes, and first I sketch them with pencil, and it's like the alien ripped t-shirt in different places because it was trying to escape. And same, I paint galaxy inside of these holes. And in the same way, I paint shadows around these holes. Okay, painting part is finished, and I love how it turned out. And now I will write. Here I will write Area 51, and here Free Me. So let's do it. And now I fixed t-shirt on the cardboard because it will be easier for me to write. And first I draw lines for writing using a ruler and pencil. And now I will use big flat brush and black paint. And why I use big brush? Because I want to create messy font like Alien wrote it itself. And I splatter black paint with hard brush. And in the same way I write on the left side of the t-shirt. And painting is finished. Me escaping from the Area 51 with my own alien. So guys, what do you think? Do you like this t-shirt? Write me your thoughts in the comments below and smash that like button to support my art and to support my channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel for more painting on clothes videos, and I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.